Welcome to another Zen pop-up. So in this Zen pop-up, what we're going to look at is turning off the Powered by Zenler badge at the bottom right of your screen. Now, one little note here, if you're a free user, that means you're not on any of the paid plans, you're not going to be able to turn that off. So let's just jump in and just show you where it is inside the site so you can find it and turn it off. So I'm going to jump into the site. So I've got this site here. This is the Good Doggy site. And if you go into a site here and you go down to the bottom to what's called the partner program, you need to make sure that you're signed up for the partner program, and you can just simply go to partner settings and turn it off here. So if we have a look at what it's like here in the corner. Now, what does this do? This basically is powered by, it gives you an affiliate link. Well, it actually gives you a partner link. So that partner link will then give you 40% of any sales of people coming in and buying from your site. So lots of people like to leave it on because you get 40% commission. So if they upgrade to the pro or the premium plan, you're getting 40% of what they pay per year, and you'll get that every year as long as they stay in the platform. As soon as they leave the platform, you don't get that commission anymore. So a lot of people leave it on, but if you're white labeling your whole site, you're going to want to turn that off. So if you just click inside here, then it will turn off. So now if I come in and refresh this page, this Powered by will no longer be on the site. Okay, you can still send out the affiliate link here or the partner link here so that you can invite people to sign up, and if they sign up through this, then you're going to get commission. So if I just go into incognito and I just put that link in there, then it will recognize that you've invited them, and if they sign up and then they finally go to pay one of the paid plans, you'll get that 40% commission. So you can still use that partner, but you can still turn the badge off if you want to. So that's how to turn off the Powered by Zenler badge inside of your pro or your premium account. Okay, now remember, like I said to you, free users, you can't turn that off. So that's on by default. But as a free user, you know, if people sign up and you'll still get that 40%. If you get that 40%, then maybe it will pay for you to upgrade to Pro or Premium anyway. So all's good. So that's our little Zen pop-up for the day.